I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm
2, 3, go.
Everyone.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel! Okay, you say?
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Okay, you say?
Joshua.
Hi everyone!
And channel.
So, hi! Hello! Hello po! So, for so long, hindi ako nakapag-vlog dahil sa sobrang busy. And ngayon lang talaga ako nagkaroon ng time. And so, as of now, ang tagal na kasi nung asawa ko na nag-invite na lumabas kami. Pero talagang sa sobrang busy, hindi ko nga siya mapagbigyan. Ouch! Babaso, excuse first. Kaya, twice yung nag-vlog yung anak ko kasi ang dami niyang mga videos dun sa dito sa phone ko. Kaya sabi ko, yun na lang yung mga in-upload kong videos, ganun. So, as of now, lalabas kami, kakain kami ng lunch sa labas. Ang tagal niya na nag-invite na labas naman tayo. Hindi ko nga kaya kasi nga ang dami kong katapusin. Yung classes, araw-araw yun. Araw-araw for 2 weeks. Tapos, happy na natapos ko. And then, we'll see later then. Nalabas kami. I-share ko sa inyo kung saan kami pupunta. Yung usual na pinupuntahan namin for lunch. It's a Maharashtrian lunch home. Yun yung pangalan ng restaurant. So, may isda, ganun. So, mahilig kasi siya sa isda. So, we'll see later then. See you! Hi, madam. Look at here. Baby. Look at you. So, this is my driver. Ba. Siyempre yung aming madam na dun sa nasa harapan. Ayan. Hi. Hi, mama.
Hi, Mama.
No, I'll call you mama. You don't open your hand.
I don't want to take banana either. Very fidgety.
Fidgety, yeah?
Mama.
No, I'm not mama.
Christine.
Yes, mommy.
I like our milk.
No milk.
Please.
You're hungry now? We're going to eat now.
Mama, please. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, bukul. Hi, bukul.
नहीं यार पूछने का और मुझे एक
So yan, pinipili na siya ng aming kakainin.
स्पाइसी बहुत कम
Siyempre, walang social distancing. Konti lang yung tao. Chip.
You want soul curry? You want soul curry? Cooking curry? No, soul curry है ना और बेटे बन
So usually dito kami kumakain ng lunch, especially kung gusto namin isda. Especially kung gusto namin isda kasi masarap yung isda nila. What is that?
कोकम शरबत
No. So yan, nakapag-order na yung aking asawi. At etong si Madam feeling sleepy. Yes, you're feeling sleepy? Yeah. Feeling sleepy, baby? How about you? You feel sleepy? You don't feel sleepy? Ayan. So, nakakamiss minsan talaga kumain sa labas. Sabi ba? Ayan. Masarap dito. Hintay na lang ang aming order. Ayan. Dumating na yung order namin. Ito lang yung order namin. Diet. No, so, yan. Prawns. Fried prawns. Tapos yun sa mga bata, soup. Okay, so hindi naman oftentimes na, you know, we are eating outside. So, sometimes only. If we fight, then we'll eat outside. Because no cooked food in the house. Ano. So, ayan. So, are you celebrating something or what, babe? Your freedom? Celebrating his freedom. How is it, babe? You will give me or what? Not? Help me also now. Feed me also now. Yummy. Isa lang ang masasabi ko na pag merong bumbil na isda, my husband forgets me. Diyan lagi kami nagtatalo niyan. Pag merong bumbil, nakakalimutan niya ako. Kaya ayun. So, ayun, kahit let's eat. So, we'll see you later then. Bye. So, we're finished now. Ayan. Diyan, kumain kami diyan. So, we're finished already. Nagpa-picture ako doon and ang ganda ng smile ko. Hindi ko na-notice na may mask pala ako. So, ayan. So, hopefully, hope na sana maging okay na lahat para at least makalabas na tayo ng tuloy-tuloy. Alam mo yun, nakaka-bored din minsan sa bahay. So, yun. Pero at the same time, we still have, dapat natin alalahanin yung mga precautions pa rin. Siyempre, di ba? And then, lagi tayong mag-ingat, lagi tayong maghugas ng kamay, sanitizer, mag-mask. Ayan. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa sa amin sa pag-watch ng video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and thank you so much again sa mga nagsasubscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to subscribe. Baby, come on. Bye. See you. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Hey, bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.